New releases on Paramount Plus in February 2025. Yellowjackets Season 3. Release date February 14th, 2025. Overview: the third season of this gripping drama continues to explore the harrowing experiences of a high school girls' soccer team stranded in the wilderness. As they struggle for survival, deeper secrets and darker aspects of human nature emerge. Season 2. Release date February 23rd, 2025. Overview: starring Harrison Ford and Helen Mirren, this Yellowstone prequel delves into the 20th century Dutton family's challenges, including pandemics, historic droughts, and the Great Depression, as they fight to maintain their ranching empire. 67th Annual Grammy Awards. Air date February 2nd, 2025. Overview: hosted by Trevor Noah, this prestigious event honors outstanding achievements in the music industry, featuring performances by top artists and the presentation of coveted awards. Burden of Guilt. Release date February 4th, 2025. Overview: this three-part documentary follows Tracy Raquel Burns as she uncovers the complex circumstances surrounding her baby brother's sudden death, unraveling decades-old family secrets. Death Without Mercy. Release date February 6th, 2025. Overview: directed by Wad Al-Khatib, this documentary chronicles the lives of two Syrian families over 10 days following the devastating 7.8 magnitude earthquake that struck the Turkish-Syrian border in 2023. NCIS. Sydney Season 2 premiere. Release date February 7th, 2025. Overview: the NCIS franchise expands with its Sydney division, following a team of naval investigators as they tackle crimes affecting military personnel in Australia. Eric Clapton Unplugged. Over 30 years later. Release date February 12th, 2025. Overview: this special revisits Eric Clapton's iconic Unplugged performance, featuring interviews, behind-the-scenes footage, and reflections on its enduring impact on music. On TV, a Black History Month special. Release date February 17th, 2025. Overview: a celebration of Black achievements in television, this special highlights groundbreaking moments, influential shows, and interviews with trailblazing artists. These additions enhance the diverse content library of Paramount Plus, offering subscribers a range of new series, documentaries, and specials to enjoy in February 2025.